India's love for dogs runs deep, from the playful bounce of a Labrador to the regal grace of a Rajapalayam. Dogs brighten millions of homes. But the question remains, foreign breeds or Indian natives? Which one's right for you? Foreign dog breeds that are popular in India. First up, the Golden Retriever. Friendly, intelligent, and always eager to please. No wonder it's one of the world's most loved family dogs. Next, the German Shepherd. Smart, strong, and highly trainable. A favorite for police and military work worldwide. Then comes the Labrador Retriever. Gentle, outgoing, and playful. Labradors are amazing family companions and therapy dogs. Moving on to the Pug. Small, charming, and full of personality, perfect for apartment living and families. And now, the Beagle. Small, curious, and full of energy, with an incredible nose for scents. Finally, the Siberian Husky. Known for its striking looks and blue eyes, this strong, energetic sled dog thrives in colder climates. Indian dog breeds. Now, let's talk about India's very own amazing breeds. We start with the Rajapalayam, an elegant white hound from Tamil Nadu, brave, loyal, and known for its hunting skills. Next, the Mudhol Hound, fast, alert, and slender, a proud sight hound from Karnataka used for guarding and hunting. Moving on to the Indian Pariah dog, highly intelligent, adaptable, and street smart. This native breed is one of the oldest in the world. Up next, the Himalayan sheepdog, also called Bhotia, a strong, thick-coated guardian from the Himalayan region, bred to protect livestock and survive extreme cold. Next, the Kambai, fearless, protective, and loyal, a powerful guard dog from Tamil Nadu. And finally, the Bakharwal dog, a rare and ancient breed from Kashmir, strong, protective, and bred to guard livestock in the Himalayas. Now, let's find out which breeds are best suited for India. Climate adaptation. Foreign breeds often struggle in heat. Indian breeds generally thrive in it. Health. Foreign breeds can be prone to certain conditions. Indian breeds are often naturally hardy. Maintenance. Long coats mean more grooming and higher costs. Short coats mean low upkeep and fewer salon days. Temperament. Labs and Goldens. Super friendly social butterflies. Rajapalayam, Kambai and Bakharwal. Devoted, protective, family first. Availability and adoption. Imported breeds, easy to buy. Indian natives, under-adopted and waiting for good homes. At the end of the day, the best dog is the one you love and care for. Foreign or Indian, every dog wants a safe home, good food, and your time. But if you want a partner who's climate-ready, healthy, and uniquely Indian, look closer at our Desi champions. All dogs are special. Adopt responsibly. For such amazing content, follow Vox Mentis.